loves this. My long-haired cats are in need of a grooming, both for them and for my home. So I am thrilled that Dancemoon gifted me their PawRake. This is one impressive de-shedding tool, and in this video, I'm gonna show you it on my long-haired ragdoll. Let's go. To start off with, this is one beautiful minimalist tool. Very clean lines, attractive just sitting around. It's not one of those bulky pet tools that you often see. I love the slim line and the clean coloring. This top comes right off, and these little blades here, and yes, there is some sharpness here, so be aware of that, are masterful in helping de-shed and remove mats from your pet's fur without hurting them at all. Just a really nice experience all around. And then this cover is not only a cover, but it's also designed as a comb to help remove all the fur from the brush. So let me get my cat and put this to the test. Now here is my fur baby, and it is spring. He is definitely losing a lot more fur right now and is in need of a good brushing. So let's see how this does on him. And I just take it and brush down, and I can definitely feel it getting a hold of some things there. See what he thinks. It's definitely pulling out some hair in the process, because this is actually helping remove excess hair, so keep that in mind. But I can already see the difference, and he doesn't really seem to mind at all. And I just finished, this is one compact ball of fur that just came off of him. It is very obvious to me how much cleaner his coat is now. It is really nice and trim, and unlike so many other brushes that really do pull a lot, because of the way this is trimming out the excess, it was very fast, and he really loved it. He's looking so much better because of it. Let me just show you how much he really does love this. I can just lay him down, and he loves this. The only thing I would say is it definitely makes fur fly, which makes sense. It's taking off so much so fast. You really want to be aware of how much you're taking off. But even though I just went pretty wild brushing him quite a bit, he is just looking fantastic. And as you can tell, he really loves this brush, and I am too. It is taking so much excess hair off of him, which is great for spring and summer and for our furniture and our home, so the shedding doesn't go everywhere else. So if you are looking for a really nice pet rake, a de-shedding tool, this is the one. This is fantastic. Dancemoon's pet rake definitely does the trick.